This is the unit, the 2-2, where we have one bath. It's a 2-2, so one bath over here, and then right here you get to see the first bedroom right over there. Living room, kitchen, balcony, small balcony with a railing ends right where this white section ends, so it's not going to be decked out, just on the way to the railings. And we're going to have the second bedroom here. You see, it's a door to the second bedroom with a little closet here. It's not so little closet, and a bath. So this second bedroom is more like a master. And then we have a second bedroom, small kitchen, living room. It's about 900 square feet. You can see it's not done yet, still work to be done. So that's the inside of the 2-2.